Well, good afternoon. This is Senior, Prestige Motorsports. I just want to take a minute and somewhat apologize. As you can see, this is our dyno line right now. Obviously, I've been kind of tied up in some other big projects and got a little behind here, but we are traipsing forward at a pretty fast rate right now. I really wanted to take this opportunity to just kind of show you the variety of packages that we do, and that we're really not a cookie cutter engine company. And basically, in a nutshell, you see 25 engines here or something like that. There is not one that is the same. So it kind of lets you know kind of the variety. If you got some special project, that's kind of what we're about here. So we'll just kind of really run through it real fast to kind of give you a highlight of the different stuff. This one here is a little 347. This is pretty much about as cookie cutter as you can get. You might want to say it's a carbureted, it's probably a 425 horse. This is a EFI 347. We've got another EFI type situation here with the front end on it. This is good. I was going into Cobra, pretty conventional carburetor, front end stuff of that nature. Another EFI. Here's a side ram, probably going in a Mustang 363. Got your typical Borla setup going on here. Here's a Chevrolet. This is designed for boosted situation. Here's a 427 EFI. Here's a 427 dual carburetors type deal. Another EFI. Here's, as you can see, a Holley Systemax going in a Mustang. This is a Torque Storm FE. That's a project for the car side. Here's an LS sniper on it. Here's a Ford. As you can well see, it's a high ram, got intercooler on it, stuff. Pretty serious boost there. Another Borla. Here's a big block Chevrolet. I think this is a marine package waiting on some valve covers. 427 Ford with a big blower on top of it. Another 347 front fed ram on it. Conventional Ford here with a sniper system. This is a just conventional Ford 427. He must have his own induction. We're just running it in with that. Another Borla. There's a boosted Ford back there, side ram protect on it. Just a conventional Ford right here, 347. Here's another LS Whipple. Here's just a little conventional Ford here. It's probably a 427. Waiting on the valve covers. LS, front fed high ram on it. Another Ford here. And another LS here. So kind of let you know the variety of everything we do. So if you're looking for a special project, give us a holler. And we appreciate your patience on the dyno stuff. Thank you. Have a great day.